We just can't take it anymore.
Go.
Hey everybody, welcome to another episode.
Hi, Bucket List fam.
So this one's going to be a short, quick, and sweet little video.
What'd you say?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So we're going to talk about what's going on behind us here in a second. It is a colossal mess.
Yep.
But first we should tell you where we are.
Right. And then why?
And this is kind of live because we're sending this to you the day of or day before. Can you hear us over that motorcycle?
That's nothing. It gets better.
We are here in Eustis, Florida.
Which we love. Love. And Deltona. No, not Deltona. What's right next to us?
Mount Dora.
Mount Dora.
Yeah. It's beautiful up here along the lakes and stuff like that. But we came up here for a specific reason.
Right.
And that is because Natasha. There's Natasha. Natasha needs a little TLC. Actually, there's a warranty recall or repair that's needed for the transmission. I'm going to move this back a little bit.
Okay. Oh, this is going to be good. Go on.
For the transmission. And there's something with the computer as well. Well, long story short, this recall for at least my truck, the Ford F450, has been out for
months.
8 months?
Yeah.
9 months?
Right.
And I have been trying to get my truck in for service. And as all of you know, we are full-timers.
Right.
So when I call the Ford dealerships to get the recall taken care of...
No matter where it's been in the country.
Yes. Every single Ford dealer I get, first we get a laugh, like,
Good luck, buddy.
Yeah. Then we're told it's 2, 3, or 1, 2, and 3 months out before they can get us in for them just to look at it. I'm like, wait.
Then...
It's not to look at, it's a recall. You should know what to do.
Then, if they can do it, it'll take them several weeks or a month or two to get it done.
Yeah, we've had some dealers tell us it's going to be
up to a month.
From anywhere from 6 days to a month to get it repaired. And I hope you can hear us over all this.
Sorry.
So it just was ridiculous. So everybody kept saying, go back to the dealer where you bought it.
Yeah, yeah.
So I called the dealer where we bought it and...
Hold on, back up.
What?
Back up! We have time frame. You called them.
Oh yeah.
How long ago?
A month ago.
Right.
And we set this appointment. And I said, I'm a full-timer. We can't afford to leave the truck there for a month or 2 weeks or whatever. Order all the parts that are needed for this recall, and we'll bring the truck in. Call me when you have it all in. We'll bring the truck in. So we make arrangements to come up to this RV park.
Because this was the closest.
Yeah, this is the closest RV park to where we're going. I mean, there's a couple others, but this one was the one that we booked. It is part of the Thousand Trails collection. Or the Trails collection, yeah.
Right,
so,
and closest to the dealership.
Yeah, and closest to the dealership. So we booked here, and first of all, I mean, they're very, very nice people and very accommodating people that work here. But they put us...
Do you want to finish what happened with the Ford?
Yeah, we're going to finish that, but...
Not yet.
Okay, yeah. I'm done. I jumped all over, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
Squirrel!
Squirrel! Hey! Only I can do that.
Okay. So, at any rate, we set the appointment a month ago, and we're here to take the truck in.
That day.
Well, the truck was supposed to go into service today. And we got a call yesterday from the service manager that says, we can't take your truck. I said, excuse me? They said, yeah, we've only got one certified service tech, and he's got a whole bunch of vehicles, and he's swamped, and he's not going to be able to look at it for 2, maybe 3 weeks yet.
Right. So you can leave it here.
So I have to leave it with him. And I said, I can't leave it. And he says, well, we can't get you in for a couple more weeks. Right. Even though we had a set appointment. And we drove all the way here to get here.
And made our home here. Go ahead, right?
And we even called to confirm the appointment before we came up here. And they said, yep, you're all good. So it was the day before our appointment, which again was scheduled for today.
Right.
They told us that don't come in.
And he asked, well, how can that be if we were already scheduled? He says, well, you know, things happen and people come in and bring their vehicles in from then to now.
I'm like, wait a minute.
confused. So
Shouldn't
somebody
they
had
be behind me? Because I
somebody-
already booked this?
Somebody has an appointment, but we're going to take care of everybody else and not really tell you.
Yeah. The service manager was, hey, we got a whole bunch of cars backed up, so we got to get those done first. I'm like, whatever. I was, needless to say, a bit...
Perturbed.
I was going to say a few other words, but we'll stick
On
with that
camera,
nice word.
perturbed is good.
Yeah. So.
And he was very nonchalant. He
Oh yeah,
could
he
care
was
less.
like, I don't care if
There's no
you
such
ever
thing
come
as
here.
right.
I don't care if you
inconvenient.
give me a crappy review. I don't care
Right.
anything about it.
Right. Doesn't care that he bought the vehicle there. Nothing.
Yeah, you spend $100,000 on a vehicle,
Right.
they don't care.
And his answer to that was, "Yeah, I can't help you, buddy."
Yeah.
Right.
So, long story short, that's why we're up here. Now, the people at this RV park were very, very sweet and very nice.
Yep.
But it is not a place you want to come to. As you can tell by all the background noise. Now, we probably have the worst spot in the entire park.
In the entire park, and that was for a specific reason.
This is our second or third spot because, as you all know, we have a long rig and there's a lot of spots. Now, they are fairly full, I will give them that. And there's only a few spots we can fit in because of the length of our unit.
Right.
And anyway,
they put us in originally a unit that we couldn't even look at, and then
the escort guy was looking at our rig when we pulled up and walked in and saw the site they assigned us to, and he just shook his head. He says, "No way,
Never.
is that going to fit in there?"
He goes back out, comes back in, he goes, "Where are you putting them?" She gave him number. He goes, "They've got a triple axle." She goes, "Okay." And she started again.
So they started all over. Anyway, this is the spot they found for us, and it is in the corner. You don't want to be here. And this is, by the way, this is Southern Palms RV Resort in Eustis, just to remind you again.
And by the way, this happens to be a quiet time of the afternoon.
Yeah, so this goes on all day, all night.
Right.
You can't even hear yourself think. It is
Right.
going on so much. So what are we doing?
We're packing up and moving.
We decided we're going to get the hell out of Dodge. This is crazy. So again, truck was supposed to go in today. We're supposed to be here 10 days.
Right.
So
Thank
we are
God.
leaving tomorrow morning, and we're going to go a little bit,
So,
well, we're going to go back south a little bit towards
Yeah.
Central Florida and to a spot we know is going to have peace and quiet. That's
You know,
Thousand Trails, Orlando.
and if you think about it, everything happens for a reason. God is always good, because if this wasn't for service, we'd be here listening to this for 10 days. Mind you, somebody coughs up the road, I hear them at night. I'm a very light sleeper, so...
I have a feeling Joe would be out here with her little vehicle, her broom, and chasing people down the intersection, batting at them. Shut up! Shut up!
That
shut
is
up!
my non-motorized vehicle, correct? It's my,
Yeah, that
my
one
form
flies.
of motivation, right?
Anyway, so this is just crazy.
There's not a truck here that doesn't have a hole in its pipes. Oh, no pipes at all.
Yeah, you know, in fact, I think in this part of the country or
It's
this part of the
required.
state, they don't sell cars with mufflers.
They don't.
Or they
None.
sell them with really loud, well, not cars, trucks.
Trucks. Just trucks.
Trucks.
Mostly
No trucks have mufflers.
Except the little Nissans or Hondas or something too. Same
Oh,
thing.
then they have those really high level sport trucks or sport sound things.
And you're either limited to that, the truck with no pipes, or a Harley. That's the only thing you can. Oh, a big semi.
Oh yeah, we love Harleys.
School
though.
bus. We
But
do.
they're-
But not in my
There are a
window.
bunch that go on around here because of all the beautiful lakes and roads and
Right.
stuff. So that's, you know, I understand that. It's a gorgeous area to ride your motorcycle.
Look, think green. Think clean. Another truck.
See, squirrel. She got distracted. So with that, guys, we are making this video short. We hope that you all do the things and like and subscribe and do all
And
that
ring the
stuff. If you can hear
bells.
all of this,
Please.
do all those things. Hit the join button, all that. Now in the
Yeah.
last video, by the way, we got to have a correction.
Oh, correction.
Correction, last video, I was unaware of this, probably because we signed in through our account. You can subscribe on your television. Did not know that. Because on ours, it wouldn't let us do that, probably because we were signed
You
up.
spent all that time in front of the TV and you couldn't figure. Some
Well,
engineer
because
here.
all they have to do is they have to hit our icon
Yeah.
when they scroll up, and then we clicked over to it
I
twice to the
told
hamburger.
you that.
Just click our icon, and then
I told
select
you.
that, and it gives you an option of exiting or subscribing.
I knew that.
I didn't know that because when it doesn't work on our TV because we're logged in as us, so we can't subscribe to us.
Thank God.
So I didn't know that was option was available.
Hiya.
Yeah, one of 10,006 motorcycles that go by every day.
Yep. Okay.
Well, that's it, I think.
That's it. Love you, man.
Sorry for the short video.
Yep.
We'll go back to our regularly scheduled fun videos
Another
on Sunday.
time.
So make it a great bucket list day. This one's not, but we'll see ya. Bye.
After we move.
Goodbye.
Make it a beautiful day. See ya. Peace. No, I did that wrong. Oh wait, it was making a beautiful day. Peace.
All right,
See ya.
let's try that again.
Oh no, see ya. And don't.
I'll say it.